Welcome to our channel where we solve your TD Bank online payment issues quickly and effectively. Welcome to our channel where we solve your TD Bank online payment issues quickly and effectively. Many users face frustrating failures when attempting to make online payments with TD Bank. Fortunately, fixing these problems can be straightforward with the right approach. First, verify your internet connection. A stable and secure connection is essential for online banking operations. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies or try using an incognito mode or a different browser. Browser glitches and outdated cache data often cause payment failures. Then, ensure your TD Bank app or website is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can produce errors during transactions. Check your account status to confirm there are no holds or restrictions that could block transactions. Also, verify your payment details, such as card number, expiration date, and CVV, are entered correctly. If you use a mobile device, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to rule out network restrictions. It's also important to confirm that your payment method has sufficient funds or credit available. Look for any alerts or messages on your TD Bank account related to suspicious activity or transaction limits, and if found, follow the instructions to resolve them. Finally, if the problem persists, contact TD Bank customer support directly for assistance, providing them with error messages or screenshots for faster troubleshooting. By following these simple, practical steps, you can resolve most TD Bank online payment failures quickly and resume your transactions without hassle. Don't forget to keep your banking information secure and regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Be proactive in updating your apps and devices to avoid future issues. Thank you for watching and learning how to fix these payment issues easily and safely.